want to see how drone technology, unmanned technology, can impact our business and create our own businesses. And here we have our business approach.
I'm Sophia Adams. I'm the secretary of Quirk, and I'd like to talk to you about our business approach. Quirk wants to mine helium-3 from the moon to provide a safe and clean nuclear energy that does not result in radioactive waste. We provide the helium-3, the product, not the service.
So the current market status, obviously, as the population of Earth is steadily increasing, actually exponentially increasing, so does the need for energy.
And as fossil fuels, the amount of them decreases, so does the need for alternative energy sources.
So Naveen Jain, who's a billionaire, and his company Moon Express have recently received legislation from President Obama to commercially exploit the resources on the moon and use them and sell them on Earth.
This makes us hopeful that we will at some point be able to gain the same permission.
So the practicality of our strategy, here's a diagram of how helium-3 in a fusion reactor works to produce the energy and free protons. So focusing on the mining industry allows us to focus not on the energy part, but just giving the helium-3 as a material to energy companies instead of having to create our own energy business.
This gives us a more streamlined approach and allows us to specifically work on certain things to make them the best that they can be, rather than being spread out over having to provide numerous things.
And this is just a blueprint that I drew up of what we would want our excavation rover to be. We have bucket wheels that turn and spin and dig up the regolith, and it's powered primarily by the sun with that solar collector there. And in the middle, that's where the processing happens and the helium-3 extraction will occur.
Okay, so this is our engineering design strategy.
So determining our hook design. So basically we had 4 hooks initially for designs. So the first one over here is a 90-degree angle, and over here is basically the 90-degree angle with a curved end. And then here's a 70-degree angle, and then at the end is basically a 90-degree angle with a curve near the end so that the package could just drop into it easily, so it would be easier to move it around.